Katlego Danke kept a huge secret. Me, if my baby daddy was a billionaire, I'd be in the streets singing, dancing, posting the private jets on my stories. But to Katlego, she said nothing, zero. And that silence is exactly why the whole country lost their mind. And in 2025, we are still talking. Welcome back to Mzansi Overloaded 2.0. Today we're catching up on the rumors that started years ago and where they stand now. We are looking at 8 famous mamas whose baby daddy stories blew up because of one tweet, one live, or one post. I'll tell you exactly how each rumor started, the receipt that kept it going, and the real 2025 update, kids growing, mamas driving. Everything is alleged. We are just connecting the dots like normal nosy South Africans. Let's go from oldest drama to the one still fresh. At number 8, we have Thembi Seete, the Facebook post that shocked us all. Thembi Seete, this one takes us way back to 2015. Thembi Seete and Athandwa Kani had the wedding we all dreamed of. Beautiful, emotional twins on the way. In October 2015, Athandwa drops a long Facebook post at 2 a.m. DNA test done, the twins are not his. The whole country stops scrolling. Weeks later, airport photos leak. Thembi Seete with a tall pilot helping with the bags. Name drop as Andile no Dada. 2025 update, the twins are proper teenagers now. Tall, smart, private school vibes. Thembi Seete's remarried, happy, glowing on radio. Drama feels like ancient history. But that post still quoted when paternity tea spills. And allegedly the father of the twins might be Andile no Dada. At number 7, we have Katlego Danke, the tweet that launched 1,000 theories. March 17, 2023. One random tweet. Katlego's twins' daddy is Patrice Motsepe. Same driver, same elite school. Tweet blows up, newspaper runs it. Patrice's lawyer calls it fake news. Katlego stays quiet. That's literally all it took. 2025 update, the kids are bigger. School concert, holiday peaks. Faces blurred, of course. Katlego's booking big roles again, growing harder than ever. Same tweet still gets shared every few months. Silence remains undefeated. At number 6, we have Zenande and Mfenyana, the late night live we all screenshotted. Lockdown 2020, Tino Chinyane goes live with Zenande late at night, cooking together, too cozy. Someone saves it, posts more than co-stars. Few months later, Zenande shares a baby girl pic, no bump reveal. Yes, she did reveal the bump. And then there was nothing. Timelines start to match. Years match, rumors fly. 2025 update, her daughter's a proper little madam now. Dancing videos, starting big school soon. Tino's happily building family with Sims Ngema. Zenande, still private queen, posting power naps and peace. At number 5, we have Zikhona Sodlaka, the crew WhatsApp that leaked. Blood Sunset 2021 crew group chat leaks. Zikhona and Unathi always in the same trailer between takes. Days lineup, Zikhona drops baby boy announcement out of nowhere. Unathi, already dead to fall, stays quiet. 2025 update, her son's full toddler energy running, talking non-stop. Zikhona posts more mom moments than ever, still peaceful, no drama. At number 4, we have Thembi Seete, the birthday party that did the talking. Takalo turns 4 in 2022. Monster trucks, massive cakes, guest text calling Mashawana, thank you daddy. Colin replies, my prince, Thembi never stops it. That's how the private became public. 2025 update, Takalo is a big school boy now. Sports days, plays, Thembi timeless as ever. Colin still liking every post at midnight. Co-parenting looks smooth and expensive. At number 3, we have Ney The Bae, the blind item that turned into podcast. Early 2024, Musa Kaula blind item, young rapper pregnant by music mogul son. Ney announces bump days later, screenshot leak, age gap talk explodes. She hits every podcast, wrong house, spicy but false. 2025 update, her daughter's toddler cute, praise playground queen, Ney dropping hits, full boss mom era, rumors quieter now, but timelines still whisper.
Emotional damage!
At number 2, we have Omuhle Gela, the 4 words on national TV. Mommy Club Season 2, Miss Mobs ask, who's Tato's daddy? Omuhle smiles, you already know who
who it is. Clips goes mega viral, everyone screams Sovo Mashaba. He denies, she says co-parenting is blessed. 2025 update, Tato's growing fast, gorgeous smiles, play dates. Omuhle still calls the dead present and amazing. No names are dropped. From 2015 heartbreak to 2025 glow-ups, these mamas turn whispers into strength. Kids happy, careers popping, peace protected. That's the real story. Which update surprised you most? Comment below nicely. We are family here. Smash like for more 2025 catch-ups. Thank you for watching with open hearts. Mzansi Overloaded 2.0. Gossip with love. We out.